Hey guys, Mensch here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make something like a techno trance. I don't know, it looks like, sounds like classic trance, but with a modern touch. But I saw on the YouTube some channels called techno or something uploaded this video with this track. So honestly, I don't know how it called. It has some elements from tech trance, some old school classic trance, maybe just trance. It's not an uplifting trance, but let's call it trance. Yeah. So I decided to make a copy of a track by Thomas Schwartz, I guess, and yeah, the track called Final Fantasy. I'll leave the link in description. You can easily listen to it, and let me show you the track, and I'll explain what I use here. And also feel free to check my links in description. I leave the link to my Patreon and Boosty to this project, and also I leave the link to full tutorial how I made it. I'll explain it all the process how I made it, but in another language. and we have outro there. Yeah, the track, the length of the track is more than 6 minutes, but for trance music it's okay. Yeah. So let me show you what we have in this track. We have a kick. By the way, this track something like between psytrance also, because we have this bass. It sounds a bit like psytrance. I'm not sure, but yeah, something like that. We have a head. We have something like heads and perks. We have additional perks with heads. We have open head and this loop, and one more open head. So the rhythm section sounds like that. Something like a usual rhythm section for trance, but we don't have a clap. I didn't hear it in the Thomas Schwartz track, and we have something like that. We have a sub bass, mid bass, also another mid bass. We have something like a sine effects or something. Something like black. Also we have here a pad. A pad, it's not a full chord, something like 2 notes. And these melodies, chords, and so on, I copied from the track called Final Fantasy. Something like a gate effects. Also we have additional pad, and I decided to use another pads in this part, in the main drop, because we have in the main drop changes of these chords. Something like that. Also we have here this tech trance lead, and we have something like an automation of the filter. Yeah. Also we have a voice, something like that. It sounds something like back in the days, to old school trance. There are a lot of tracks in the 90s with these sounds. We have chords. Something like a brass. Also we have these trance gate effects. Yeah, and we have the main lead. I decided to use a reverse I made from this lead. And we have here 4 layers. Yeah, it sounds like really like old school trance. There are a lot of tracks in the 2024 who uses these old sounds, and I don't know it's good or not, but I like it. It's something like back in the days in the 90s, but with a more modern sound, more compressed. It's a wrist bass. We have here full chords of pad. Also we have fixes. Yeah, and we have here something like kick roll. Yeah, something like that. So let me know in the comments, do you like trance, do you like old school trance, do you like this track? Maybe I have some suggestions. Feel free to use comment section. If you like this video, please give me a like. So Mensch was here. Bye bye guys.